the day-to-day life application candle flames. So LPG is a premixed or diffusion? Can you premixed? Okay, so how they premix? Because we just open the knob.
Okay. No, all that is in the liquefied form and all are mixed up.
In the cylinder?
In this cylinder it is in gaseous form. Liquefied. It is in liquid form. When it comes out in low pressure.
Okay. So you are saying in the cylinder fuel and oxidizer already mixed?
No.
Okay. Then how it mixes with the air?
It is diffused, I think. No?
Okay. Madam is going into diffusion mode now. So anyway, any other answers?
There is air inlet also.
Air inlet. Okay. So where is the air inlet?
No, once I opened, I saw that there was one.
Yeah, correct. So
Yeah.
okay, when you are you are observing things very closely. So yeah, correctly. Inside that port, like that gas burner, there is a pipe, vertical pipe, and there is a small hole there. So once we open the knob of the cylinder, so it comes because of the hole, it entrains some of the air and mixes in that vertical pipe prior to the burner. Okay. So this is a typical example of premix burner or our LPG burner. One fuel port is there and one oxidizer port is there, and they mixes in that vertical pipe, and it is a premix combustion. Similarly, if you see candle flames, it is only fuel, right? And burns by mixing with the ambient air, correct? So this is a diffusion flame example. So the point here we discuss is how do you distinguish these two type of flames, and why we specifically choose premix flame for LPG and candle flame as a diffusion flame, correct? Because we can also use LPG for our candle kind of thing, means like connect a pipe and use, but we are not using that. And specifically we can also use a candle kind of flame for LPG application, but why we are going for cylinder or something, or premixed?
Highly flammable. LPG.
No.
Highly.
From that
Diagram
what I
here and
see.
there it is solid.
No. What my point is, we can.
Energy range.
Okay. Some of like energy range 1 point. Okay. So
Constantly.
okay, somebody is saying constant or some uniformity or something is somebody saying. Yes. Yeah. So specifically we are choosing because of they have different characteristics. So let's understand what are the different characteristics of these types of flames. So in a characteristics means what I say is the flame structure or the flame color or the temperature profile or temperature, what kind of temperature it can give, because that is our main requirement. Then and how they behave. These are completely different. See, I think you must have heard something like whenever explosion happens, cylinder explosions, we don't talk about candle explosions, right? We always say about cylinder explosions. So always we become safe by closing the knob while before going to sleep. We have to close the knob and all. So definitely there is some hazard associated with our cylinder flames. So why it is happening, let's understand that. So if you see another characteristics of this, you can see that LPG flame is always blue in color, right? And candle flame is yellowish in color. So now you can identify whenever you see the blue flames, you can say this is a premixed flame. And whenever you see a yellowish flame, you can say that it is a diffusion flame, right? So always if you see yellowish flame, you can always assure that okay, it is safe, no issues. But if yellowish flame means you should be careful, because there is always a hazard associated with this bluish flame, means this is a premixed flame. So the characteristics that I say is flames. This is a bluish flame. This is a premixed flame. I will demonstrate all this. Here, what happens is there is mixture of fuel and oxidizer always comes from the bottom, and we ignite there. Correct? So means there is already combustible gases are already there. Once you ignite, it starts igniting. So wherever your mixture is there, it can propagate that flame. Correct? So always you can say that premixed flame can always movable, or is it having a kind of wave in nature, means always can move. So means the explosion happens because of that. It's a premixed mixture is there. So once you ignite or any spark is coming, so means it can move. So that's why the hazard is there. The explosion is coming. So if you see this premixed flame, it always tries to move. But in LPG cylinder, we don't see any movement. It is a stationary, right? Correct? Okay. So there is also a speed, but we are arresting the speed by that burner port. correct? That burner, that small holes are there. So means without that port we should not use gas burners. Otherwise it will always try to move down. Okay. So premixed flame has always having a flame speed or a wave in nature. So without having that port we should not use LPG cylinders. Another point is temperature. Somebody said it is uniform in temperature. So that's why you are using for cooking because we need a uniform heating. So premixed flames are giving us uniform temperature because already fuel and oxidizer are mixed, and once ignite it gives a uniform flame. Another problem is, as I said, is movement, stabilization. So it has to be stabilized. So the port is used for stabilizing the premixed flame. Correct? So I will also demonstrate how the flame can be all movable and how can make it stabilize. And another problem is flame structure. So we will not go into the details of this. Flame structure is, as you can see, here is the zone. If you can say this is the flame zone, it always gives a uniform temperature. And this is the zone of reaction. I will not go into details. And the way I said stabilization means, if you assume this is our LPG port or LPG burner tip, if we increase the knob, or if we increase the speed of the knob is not working properly, it might happen the flame can go up or it might go down. But we are arresting that it will not go down because of that design of that port. But always it can go up. So premixed flame we should be careful, it should be always stabilized properly. I will explain, I will demonstrate it properly why it is happening. It is because, as I said, there is always a speed associated with this flame. So if we increase the flow speed, so the flame speed can also change because of the mixture composition. So if your port is not able to handle this different mixture composition, it can always move, this flame can always move. So in scientific terms we say if the flame goes up, known as lift off condition. If it further goes up, it can blow out. It is difficult to stabilize. It can move up and down and all. And similarly, flashback means it will go into the port. So that is also dangerous, right? Because it goes into the pipings. It should not go there. So you should be always careful while using. All these setups should be proper while using a cylinder. So similarly, if we go differentiate this with a diffusion flame. So as I said, only fuel comes in the gaseous form, it mixes with the ambient air and burns. So it is always safe because wherever it finds the air, it mixes up once. So if you avoid the supply of air, there will not be any flames, right? So in this case, as you see here, the structure of this is completely different. It doesn't give a uniform temperature. The only maximum temperature comes at this zone because the only mixture only it mixes with the oxidizer, correct? So if we see this structure of this flame, I will not go into the technical terms like equivalence ratio. Should I explain? Okay, maybe I will stop. Okay, so I'll fundamentally it is not, there is no speed associated with this. If you stop the oxidizer supply, the flame will stop, and it is always controlled by increase. If we reduce the flow supply, it will have a less height. So means if the wax is highly, the rate of evaporation is higher, the flame height can be higher. If the wax is poor, like if the flame height will be low. Okay. So these two are clear. Any questions? Any doubt? Okay. So as I said, this has a speed. We will also demonstrate something like what is the speed.
But one major issue is that one is used as a source for light, another one is used as a source for heat.
Yes, cooking. Yeah.
Yeah, but both are different by the application wise.
Yes, that's what I said. Because of the characteristics, because premixed flames are giving us uniform heating.
Okay.
So cooking we need uniform heating. We don't want some rice to be cooked properly and some part is not cooked, right?
No,
So
uniform heating in the sense from beginning to the top of the flame.
No, that will
No,
spread.
area.
no, not that.
Like that.
It is uniform in a plane.
In a plane.
Yes.
But as you told me the candle also at that yellow region or whitish region, it is uniform, right? Temperature.
Okay. What I meant is,
But the energy is very less.
no.
Heat energy will be very less.
the way we see our LPG port, there are number of holes, right? When the small flames are coming out uniformly everywhere. So means if you assume that there is, in a plane, the temperature is almost uniform. Okay. But in a diffusion flame, if the same port we assume diffusion flames, we cannot have that. Because the maximum temperature is coming here at the periphery portion, inside and outside
The
temperature
blue part
change.
of the flame maximum.
It is different. And again, yeah, that is the,
Horizontal plane.
yes. And again, diffusion flame, why? Because it is safe, always safe. Remove the source of air, it will always stop. Right? But here is a mixture. You have to stop the knob, you have to stop, control the knob, and in the pipe, whatever pipings you have, still the mixture is there. You have to remove that portion. So it is always dangerous. And specifically, if I say that burner port is designed to arrest those flames, that holes, why small holes you have given, that is a specific. If you increase the holes, it will not arrest. The mixture can go down or the flame can go down. Okay, that I will explain here. That will be more interesting. So to know how much is the speed, we have experiment flame tube. We can visualize the movement of the flames. How the explosion cylinder, let's say our cylinder is leaking in the night and it is already mixing with the air in our room, correct? So if you have a lighting source or any spark, the mixture can always travel throughout the room, and that's only causes our explosions. So those things we will see how the flame moves if you have a premixed mixture. So that's why it is always dangerous. So you should not make the cylinder leak or something. Okay. So we have an experiment flame tube where you can find out what is the flame speed of the mixture. So we'll come to the first demonstration.
We have to move away.
That is fine. So as I said, we'll first demonstrate diffusion flames.
It's not. We can't see the flame will come.
So diffusion is similar to a candle flame, right? So you have a fuel supply and we have a LOS flame. Okay. So the way I say it, like it is characterized by a flame height. If you increase the supply, the flame height increases. If you decrease the source, the flame height will decrease. Correct? So it is highly, it is in a good control. You can control it very nicely. That's why all practical applications are diffusion flames. If you go to aero engines or car engines, anywhere you see diffusion kind of flames because it is industrially highly controllable. So clear, right? Diffusion flames. Okay, then we will move to premixed flames.
I can't see from this side, so it will go there.
It's okay. Oh, you are taking video then.
So now what we did is we made it premixed flame.
We allowed air to.
Yes, mix. So it's complete like a cylinder. We had a LPG cylinder. So now we mixed air. So now you see the liquid. So it is stabilized there. Okay. So we can see this. Now I will tell you. Now you see this structure has increased, right? Means the flame speed has reduced, so the flame is stabilizing at a higher height. But it is not like diffusion flame. It has a speed, it is stabilized at a higher height. Clear?
What did you do with the knob?
We just change the composition. So means the flame speed, whatever we are observing, is a characteristics of the mixture of speed. Okay. So at a particular composition only it has a higher speed, and a particular composition it has a lower speed. Clear? Yeah, this is pre-mixed and LOS is diffusion. That is completely different. That is no air mixed before.
Okay.
Here the air and fuel are mixed before coming to this point. In diffusion flame, fuel was only there. It was mixing with air, ambient air, and that
There
was
will be a temperature difference.
yeah, definitely.
But sometimes when the cylinder is going to be exhausted, you see yellow flame
Yes,
coming.
yes, okay.
So it's not converting into the diffusion.
Okay. So anyone can tell, but this is not
That
with
is,
combustion. Yeah, clear. That is a good observation. But why? What is the reason for that?
Incomplete combustion.
No. Yeah, okay. Some terms, but okay. Can anyone say?
Fuel, the LPG is reducing quantity.
So it is not going down
So
because
complete
the supply and the speed of supply will come down.
Yeah, something related to that, but not the exact answer. See, that is not the point. You see, in a cylinder, that a vertical pipe below the burner port, there is a fixed hole because we are not changing the hole size. If you remember in our chemistry labs in 12th, you must have done that. We adjust the hole size. But in LPG we don't do that. We have a fixed hole. So whenever LPG supply is less or the cylinder is becoming empty, fuel is coming less. So for that amount, because air is completely controlled by the supply of the fuel. Okay, now the supply of fuel is less, so the air is also less. So the mixture is becoming, or the air is not coming entrant, because the pipe is designed such that because of the high speed of the fuel, air is entrant, like a Venturi action. Low pressure inside, high pressure outside, the air comes in. Because the supply of fuel is less, so air is not coming inside. So that's why you are seeing this is a diffusion kind of. Air is not coming inside, so this is a diffusion kind of thing. Only fuel is coming and it is burning. Okay, so as I said, like these are the different characteristics. So by changing the composition, we are changing the flame speed. Clear?
Flame speed depends on how the concentration of flame.
Composition.
Composition in the sense, what do you mean? Composition means?
The concentration of fuel.
Yes, kind of.
Fuel and oxygen.
So if you go to technical terms, it is not reactivity of that. Means how much fuel and how much oxidizer is there, and how much after burning, how much energy they are providing. The flame speed. Higher the energy, higher is the flame speed. It is highly combustible. So that's why we say that hydrogen gases are dangerous. Why? Because it moves faster. Because it has high energy consumption.
Lighter gases.
Okay, so hydrogen gases, if you are handling, you should be more careful because it is more prone to the flame speed will very fast. Any more questions? So I said like stabilization of this, right? Let's say we will increase the flame speed. Now you just observe carefully at this point. Now you just observe this point. It is trying to lift, right?
Yeah.
Now already lifted off. But now you see that flame is not there. We are stabilizing by a different means. So clearly that now you can relate this. The burner port is similar to this, right? Small holes. So those are designed to stabilize the flame. If you make the holes bigger or smaller, you may not see the proper flames. So this is known as flame. So clearly that there is a speed associated with this flame, which can be stabilized at any point. So let's say, shut up, come on. You see that now what happens? What I meant to, it should come downwards. It can move.
Sir,
So it is lifting off, right? It is lifting off. Lifted off. It is again down, coming down. So like that, if you decrease the speed, the flame can move downwards. But this is designed such that it should not cause any hazard or any dangerous situation. So it will stop there itself. Clear, right? So I mean, from these experiments, like from other disciplines, we should know that how to deal with these kind of flames safely. Any questions? We will demonstrate these things, the movement of the flame in another device. This is on a flame tube. So this is in a lab scale we used to measure the speed of these flames, pre-mixed mixtures. What is the speed of that? If you have a different mixture, how much is the speed? So another different mixture, how is the speed? We compare different fuels and all. Okay. So we'll do that experiment. So please slightly.
So what fuel you will take? LPG only.
This is demo.
Bun re, nivi kana delindu.
So what we are doing is we are trying to fill that same composition of
Lila,
air
okay.
in the cylinder.
La akane
The pipe.
Is the pipe open on top?
I mean, this is open only, but that doesn't make any difference.
But will that fire come from above the...
Yeah, you just observe. Then let's observe. That's what is the thing. So,
Then,
okay, you are saying that will. Okay, but that's why I think we are trying to burn that. That's why we are doing this experiment. No. Let's see what happens. Then we'll. You try to explain this. So this is similar to what happens if you.
With that mixture, hot mixture is going there.
Whatever you covered on the top is
Mush.
No, that time it was not covered. It is open only. Now it is open. It's open.
it was a leaf or what?
No, now the LPG composition, the mixture is going inside.
yes.
So why are we unable to smell it? It has got a strong smell, no LPG.
Yeah, but we are trying only. So the supply speed is very low. It can only
It
fill
was
this
open,
much.
no, from top.
Yeah, if we allow for
Even
more
the
time,
flame
we can
reaches
smell
us,
it.
ma'am, if the smell is reaching us.
Then it will also burn.
So that's why I said premix mixer is always dangerous. So if you see something premixed, means you should always stop the fuel supply. Burner. I said there is always a speed, but because it was stabilized at the burner port, the same mixture I supplied there. But there was nothing to stabilize. It is the mixture is filled with the tube. We had an ignition source here. The spark, we provided the spark here. You can imagine something
provided
like
a spark.
yes. So the mixture is already there in the kitchen. You are coming in the morning and igniting the light source. Somehow the spark comes there. So what will happen? The complete mixture will burn and the flame will come and hit you. And that is what explosion is. So similarly, the mixture was there, premix mixture was there, ignition source came, and wherever the mixture was there, it just the flame just travelled there itself.
So that is why the cylinder bursts.
No, not cylinder.
Where it was, the flame.
That's right, catches the fire.
See, generally, if you see, there is nowhere cylinder bursts because of the flame movement into the cylinder.
Okay.
Because the flame was already there, explosion started. Because of that temperature, cylinder bursts. Cylinder never explodes like that. Because cylinder is highly safe, because high strength is there. That because outside got burned or flame was there, that creates hazard and that explodes. The flame movement is similar to our explosion. Like kitchen, somebody got burned because of this. The mixture, because of cylinder, fuel leakage, the fuel came and mixed with our kitchen air. The mixture was already there, you didn't know. Once the spark was...
At the same time, the whole thing will.
Yes, it will burn, get burned.
That gauge was acting like a stabilizer. It didn't allow the flame to go down.
Which one? This
The
one?
gauge that you use.
Yes. So similarly, you can see stopping here, right? So here we are giving stabilizer or cooling the flame. The flame cannot sustain there. So there are some cooling materials or the metallic balls are there so that it can cool the flames. The flame will stop, extinguish.
No, you use that metallic mesh one, like burner in the stove.
Here in the side.
Oh, this one? That is different.
That
Yeah,
was,
this is for stabilizing.
yeah, that wasn't allowing the flame to go down.
See, if I say it correctly, this hole, this only single port is designed to stabilize. The flame cannot move down. If you have a bigger diameter, the flame can go down.
Just like our burner.
Yes,
Gas
there are
stove
small
burners.
holes are there.
Small holes.
Why the small holes are given is,
Stabilizing it.
if you allow in the small holes, the surface area is more, so so the heat will transfer into the metals. The flame will extinguish. So if you have bigger holes, the flame can go down. Okay. So these things flame, this is a stabilizer. Like if you have a higher speed or somehow the design is different, by putting some small holes you can stabilize. Or okay, I will not go into this because these are used in like aero engines or car engines or those things for flame stabilization, because that will again complicate things.
Yeah. What is the cooling mechanism?
No, just heat transfer, metallic balls.
Like you have your fractional distillation towers, the vapors when it moves through that fluids and also back it loses its heat.
Any more questions? One is the candle flame is safe, correct? Candle flame is safe, correct? I said, because anytime you just stop the supply. But premixed is not, not safe at all. But you see, it's all the characteristics are good for us. It is giving us uniform heating. That is only used for cooking. Uniform temperature, because engines and all, everywhere we need uniform heating. We don't want some portion to burn properly, some portion to the gas to escape. All the characteristics of premixed flames are good for us, except it is not safe. Only thing is diffusion flame is the safe. All the characteristics are not good for us. So all practical application we blend both the two characteristics. If you see all any engines, we supply in a diffusion mode. Means we separately supply, but try to get the premixing inside the engine to get these characteristics. So all engines we see diffusion, different supply of air and fuel, but inside it is premixing somewhere to give us good characteristics. Okay, so we will move to another experiment. So the aim of this experiment is slightly different. Analyze those waves. What kind of waves are forming there? Okay, so what kind of waves are formed because of music or any sound source, anything? What kind of waves are formed in the medium? We can visualize through a flame. And again it has application, because now let's say this is a situation, we are having some music or some any DJ night is happening and all. So lot of sound source and all these things are there. How it can affect the place? We don't know the hazard things. But there is always a hazard associated with whenever there is a wave. So wave can always couple with other things. Like it might be flame, it might be anything, wind, anything. It can create some disturbances. So that's why this is a simple demonstration to see actually the waves are forming in a medium. So what we do here in this experiment is, we have a fuel source and there is a flame established in a flame, kind of diffusion flame or anything. Then we allow some kind of wave to pass through this medium, and whatever waves is formed in the medium, we demonstrate through the flame shape. Okay, so means you really see or appreciate that really waves are formed in the medium. So whatever kind of wave we generate, that shape we can observe there. Yeah. Again, if I come to some details of these acoustic waves, we know there are two types: longitudinal waves, transverse waves. So longitudinal waves means the source and the particle movement are in the same direction. If the source is coming in the direction, the particles move in the same direction. Transverse waves, perpendicular to those. If the source is this direction, the particles move this direction. So whatever we observe, that is not because of only wave, because wave can always go and travel in one direction, right? There is a term known as standing waves. Standing waves are formed in a medium. Any medium you see, even if this pipe, if I give some source, this is open, but still it will form a standing wave inside the tube, even if the medium. So because the waves are like kind of, you can say, highly sensitive, in layman term if I say, it can always find out what is the separation point of ambient air and inside the tube. It will always try to reflect from this way. So if you know open and organ pipes and all, studied in 12th standard, right? Organ pipes, that flute and all. So even at the end, both side is air, open end, still it tries to reflect from one end. Okay, that is not interference. So here what we see is, if we give some source, it will go in one direction and it will reflect back. In that way, it will interfere with each other and form a standing wave. Okay. So standing wave, the characteristics of this, like it will, constructive interference and destructive interference. So if constructive interference,
Amplitude is more.
more. So that is not standing wave. With destructive interference, we cannot see anything, right? So so in this experiment, what we will do is, we will provide a single frequency such that the reflection will create a constructive interference and it will give a good shape of the wave, and that we will visualize there. Clear? So again, the frequency and all things were designed properly. How much is the length of the tube? What is the speed? We have designed, or we have a different kind of pipe. Both side are closed, or one side closed, one side open. Both side open. So accordingly, we can see different type of the waves. So this is physics experiment to see the different type of waves form. Yeah, and the idea of learning here in aerospace is these waves can actually affect these flames in engines. So that we will visualize through another experiment here. Okay. So let's go to observe the waves formed inside the tube through this flame shape. Clear? On this side, we are supplying the flames wave source.
Some music you'll.
Yes. First, music also you will see, but that is for capturing audience. But physics is single frequency. If I say one more, all music or good music shows, if you go, there will be flames. See, big, higher, you spend more money, you will see more flames. Why? Because these are more attractive. So better, you will dance to the music. Flames dance to the music. So if you see, if we go to the history of Rubens tube, in UK they used flames for attracting audience. Okay, so we'll give one.
Sir, power.
Okay, they are giving the pause. Starting from. No. So you can see that was a flat plane. Now we are providing a single frequency. Okay. So single frequency, the frequency whatever is formed, the standing wave is formed inside. Now you are observing through the plane. Okay. So what is happening is standing wave, wherever the amplitude is higher of the standing wave, you have higher pressure there. So that portion is lifted off. There is a node. There is no flame there.
Node.
So now I change the frequency. Now you see different type of flame structure. Here node, between node there are two. So it can say this is a second harmonic. Now you see different standing wave, different structure is formed. Now it is a single loop. But actually there are both side also. Here also small hole is there, small flame is there. That side also is there. It is maybe because of some disturbance it is not coming.
The high frequency, yeah?
Yes. So now because of high frequency there are number of antinodes nodes are formed.
Yeah.
So that's why it is not able to visualize properly. Clear? Now I reduce the
The
frequency.
wavelength is very small.
Yes.
Why you are changing frequency in your mobile?
Oh, because this is a sound source. That's all.
If you play a song, what will happen? It will be irregular, ऐसे ऐसे करके jump
Yeah,
करेगा.
it will jump. That also we'll see.
In some movies, they will switch on the lamps by singing a song.
Yeah, that is also possible. Is that it? Yes. That is, we can also
That
see.
is nice. You enter your house singing.
But can we switch off some forest fires by sending some signal?
No.
Suppress
Maybe,
it.
maybe. You can suppress.
Yeah, we can suppress.
Yes. You can suppress. In certain
The job
zones.
is
Yes,
more easier.
like Amazon forest, whatever the forests are, big forests are there, if they catch
Hey,
fire,
all
on
the
its
people
own,
in the world
if you
can
send
go
the
and
signal-
sing, then
if you send the signal by that way, phone ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದು ಯಾವ ರಾಗ ಅಂತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ್ದು ಅದು? ದೀಪ ರಾಗ ಅಂತಾರ ಏನೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ.
Card problem.
Dancing lights.
It also senses the ultrasonic.
దాంట్లో కై ఓను సారు
Change.
Intensity. Is it available in, where do we get this, what is this Rob?
And this end is the speaker. So speaker always you can assume it open because that only because the light does not like
But that wave pattern is not because
because this is multiple frequency. Every instant
for
the
it's
frequency is
changing.
So standing wave keeps
Standing wave. That's why you
see
showed
the
it in
harmonics
single
here.
frequency. Yeah, you can make out.
So if you have a random frequency, you can see it's changing rapidly.
So you cannot make out the nodal points.
Yes, then there is no node.
Because many multi-frequencies, no?
But it will not disturb with the external source. External
extra
audio.
so-
No, because the audio we are pumping from inside where the gas gets disturbed.
Yes.
Yeah.
So if you have a music or a guitar, that guitar frequency should go inside the medium.
Yeah, that's true.
The fuel is...
The medium, whatever. See, because we are observing through a flame. The medium has to be disturbed.
Yeah.
The medium here is a LPG gas.
We'll move it.
Yes, if it is 5 minutes. 5 minutes will.
Yeah.
So any questions for this? Or stop.
Nice experiment. School level, if we show the concept of wave and all that, the basic
Yeah,
level.
this is basically physics.
Yeah,
To be
physics.
shown in schools. This one you can make it easily. Internet, lot of things are available. When you can design like multiple
We can
varieties.
design
Things.
it. It's normal, what is this, iron? What?
Yeah, any
Iron only.
steel tube or any iron tube you can use. But it has to be like while designing these holes and all, LPG gas and all, has to be cautious regarding the flames.
Yeah.
Because the fuel mixture should not transfer anywhere. Otherwise it will create a hazard for
Yes,
the fuel.
yes.
And while igniting this and also should be careful.
It's better to conduct it in an open space.
Yesterday you should not conduct.
No.
Open space also is better.
Comparatively, than in the closed room.
Precautionary measures to be taken.
But open spaces you cannot see the properly because the flame is disturbed. So what in our lab we do is we have a covering, glass covering, but we try to ignite it carefully. Otherwise
With a single frequency you do. Achha, this is just to explain us what single frequency.
no, single frequency is the way to demonstrate because that's what gives the harmonics. So what I'm saying is while setting up the flames you should be careful because if it is a closed chamber and the gas leaks and it mixes in the tube while igniting, it might come to you.
Yes, this is dangerous.